students, in the last class we have discussed about polynomial, okay, concept of polynomial, type of polynomials and degree of polynomials, everything. Okay, now without wasting our time, today I am going to start exercise 2.1, question number 1. At first read the question. Question is, find the number of zeros of the given polynomials, that means graph. Okay, now observe the graph here. This graph, see, this line not intersect the x-axis. In the previous exercise I was explained that if a line or a polynomial intersect the x-axis at one point, then the polynomial has one solution. If the polynomial or the graph intersect the x-axis at 2 points, then the polynomial has two solutions. Okay, now according to the same process we need to solve exercise 2.1, question number 1. Now observe question number 1, Roman number 1. See, this one x-axis and y-axis. Now this one is the polynomial or graph. Now observe, is it intersect x-axis? No intersecting point. Therefore question number 1 answer is no solution, or number 0 is 0. Okay, no solution. And in question number 3, again observe this graph, x-axis, y-axis. This one is the polynomial or graph. Now observe number of intersecting points on x-axis. Now see, this graph intersect, graph or curve or polynomial, same meaning. Now this one curve intersect x-axis at first at here, that means point number 1. Next intersect at here, that means point number 2, and third intersecting point is this one, means 3. How many intersecting points? There are 3 intersecting points. Therefore number of 0 is 3. How many zeros? 3 zeros, because 3 intersecting points on x-axis, not depends on y-axis. Only observe x-axis, the graph intersect x-axis or not. If the line intersect x-axis at one point, then one solution. If intersect x-axis at 2 points, then 2 solutions. If 3, then 3 solutions. If n intersecting points, then n solution. N means infinite. Now observe question number 4, Roman number 4. See, this one is a curve. Here intersect at one point, first point, and the second point is this one, or not? That is 2 intersecting points. Therefore question number 4 answer is 2 zeros. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, after exercise 1.1, now our next topic is relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. That means we need to find the zeros of the given polynomial, and after that relationship between zeros and coefficient. That one step required. This one is the very important topic of this chapter, polynomial. Now before starting this topic, see, let us take an example. Okay, twice x square plus thrice x plus 1, one polynomial, means quadratic polynomial. Now question is, find the zeros of this polynomial. Then you can find its zeros according to factorization method or splitting method. Then see, twice x square, that twice x plus 1. Now twice x common, then x plus 1, again 1 common, then x plus 1. Now write x plus 1, and the second term is twice x plus 1, means we got 2 factors, x plus 1 and twice x plus 1. Therefore the zeros are x equal minus 1, and second one is twice x plus 1 equals 0. Therefore twice x equal minus 1, that means x equal minus half. That means a quadratic polynomial has 2 zeros because its degree is 2, minus 1 and minus half. Now if one different polynomial given, then we will get different solution or not. Different polynomials have different solutions. Okay, now see the general form of a quadratic polynomial. General form of a quadratic polynomial. See, ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal 0, is called a general quadratic polynomial. General quadratic polynomial. If ax square plus bx plus c is a general quadratic polynomial, then alpha and beta are to its zeros. Let alpha and beta are two zeros of the given polynomial, like -1 and -half. Okay, then sum of the zeros means alpha beta. Therefore alpha plus beta equal minus b by a. Alpha plus beta equal minus b by a, and product of the zeros is product of the zeros equal product of the zeros comma alpha into beta, product meaning multiply, alpha into beta equal c by a. Okay, see, if ax square plus bx plus c is a general form of a polynomial, and where alpha and beta are two zeros of the given polynomial, then sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta equal minus b by a, and product of the zeros comma alpha into beta equal c by a. Now let us take an example, x square plus 7x plus 10, and find the zeros of the given polynomial. And after finding the zeros, next find the relationship between zeros and coefficients of the given polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. So at first find the zeros of the given polynomial according to splitting method. See, x square plus 10, so 5x plus twice x plus 10. Then take x common, and x plus 5. Next take 2 common, then x plus 5 because 2 5s are 10. Next x plus 5 and x plus 2. We got two factors, x plus 5 and x plus 2. Therefore x equal minus 5 and x equal minus 2. We got the two zeros. One is minus 2 and another one is minus 5. After finding the zeros, next topic is find the relationship between zeros and the coefficients according to this one topic. See, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial, then sum of the zeros is minus b by a, and product of the zeros is c by a. Now sum of the zeros. Now sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros means solution. See, one is minus 2 and another one is minus 5. Sum means plus. Then their answer is minus 5 minus 2. Sum is minus 7. Now according to the formula, minus b by a. So minus b value, observe the polynomial, given polynomial. See, b value is 7. So 7 and a value, see, 1. X square coefficient is called a. So value 1. Now minus 7 by 1, minus 7. Same or not? That means correct. So minus 7. See, 7 is the value coefficient of x. So you will write here coefficient of x, and 1 meaning coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Next, product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. Product meaning multiply. The same zeros, minus 2 and minus 5. Multiply them. 2 5s are 10, minus minus plus. We got plus 10. Then according to formula, see, alpha into beta equal c by a. Then c value 10, a value 1. 10 by 1. 10 by 1, answer 10. Same answer or not? Then right, 10 means it is called constant value. It is called constant, and 1 meaning same coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Okay, now understood this one? See, if one polynomial given, then find the zeros according to splitting method. After that, sum of the zeros, that means add the zeros and you will get an answer. Next, minus b by a, minus b value 7, a means coefficient of x square. Next, similarly, product of the zeros, minus 5 into 2 or minus 2 into 5, then answer is 10, and according to formula C by A, C means constant value and A means coefficient of x square. Done? Okay, now proceed to the exercise 2.2. Now 2.2, question number 1, Roman number 3. See the polynomial 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So at first write in power descending order. 6x square means x power 2 and here x power 1 and no x to the power 0 means power descending order. Okay, now factorize it according to splitting method. 60 is 18, so 18 2 factors required, so 9 into 2. Therefore 6x square minus 9x plus twice x minus 3. Minus 9 plus 2, answer minus 7. Now from 6x square and 9x, take thrice x common, then 3x common, so twice x minus 3, and from this part take 1 common. Now write twice x plus 3 and thrice x plus 1. That means we got two factors, twice x minus 3 and thrice x plus 1. Now find the zeros of the given factors. So twice x plus minus 3 equals 0. Therefore twice x equal minus 3 transfer to right side. Then x equal 3 by 2. And the second factor is thrice x plus 1 equals 0. And find the next x value. Then thrice x equal minus 1. Therefore x equal minus 1 by 3. We got two factors. Okay, now verify that sum of the zeros equal minus b by a and product of the zeros equal c by a. Now sum of the zeros equal 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. Sum of the zeros. First sum 3 by 2 and the second sum is minus 1 by 3. Okay, add the zeros. Then see 2 and 3 LCM is 6. Then 2 3 times, 3 is a 9, minus plus minus minus 3 2 times, 2 ones are 2, then 7 by 6, and according to the formula minus b by a. Then minus b value, see here b value is minus 7, so write minus 7 and b by a means coefficient of x square, that is 6. Now see minus minus plus 7 by 6, same answer, right? Therefore minus x coefficient of x square, and 6 meaning coefficient of, sorry, this one is x, coefficient of x square. Next, product of the zeros. Product of the zeros, 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. Product of the zeros. Zeros are 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Cancel 3 3. Then answer is minus half. Then minus, according to formula, product of the zeros equal c by a. Then see the c value minus 3 and a value is 6. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. Now compare the both answers, minus half and minus half. Both are equal. So write minus 3 means constant, right here constant, and 6 means coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Clear? That is the answer. Now proceed to question number 1, Roman number 5. Question is t square minus 15. Now t square minus 15, see here variable is t, so and t power is 2, therefore it is a quadratic polynomial, but here t term is not given, one term not given, but it is a quadratic polynomial. If a quadratic polynomial, then it has two zeros. So find the zeros of the given polynomial. See t square minus root 15 whole square. 15 means root 15 whole square. Then see t square minus root 15 square. That means they are satisfying a square minus b square formula. You know the a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. It is called a square minus b square formula. According to a square minus b square formula, now expand it. Then a plus b into a minus b. We got two factors, one is 3 plus root 15 and the another one is t minus root 15. Now find the zeros. Therefore t plus root 15 equal 0 and the another one is t minus root 15 equal 0. Therefore t equal root 15 transfer to right side, then minus root 15, and here minus root 15 transfer to right side, then plus root 15. We got two zeros there, minus root 15 and root 15. Now next step is verify that sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Now sum of the zeros, see the first zero is minus root 15 plus root 15. Sum of the zeros, sum meaning plus. Then their answer is see 0. Then according to formula, minus b by a. See here no t term, that means b value is 0 and a value is 1. See minus 0 by 1, answer is 0. That means same answer. So we can write it is coefficient of t and coefficient of t square. Next, product of the zeros. Then minus root 15 into root 15 minus root 15, answer is 15. Then according to formula, product of the zeros is c by a. Then c value is minus 15 and a value is 1. Therefore the answer is, see, minus 15 by 1, answer is minus 15. So right, minus 15 means constant and 1 means coefficient of t square. Clear? Okay, before starting question number 2, first write a formula and by heart it. Formula is x square minus bracket sum of the zeros bracket close into x plus product of the zeros plus product of the zeros. Formula is x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. By using this formula, we need to solve the question number 2. By heart the formula. Now question number 2, 1. Question number 2, 1 is 1 by 4 and minus 1. That means sum of the zeros is 1 by 4 and the product of the zeros is minus 1. Now question is form a quadratic polynomial. Now plot these values in the given formula. Then x square minus sum of the zeros value is 1 by 4 into x plus product of the zeros value is minus 1. Then answer is x square minus x by 4 or 1 by 4 into x minus 1. This is your answer. And one more, number 5. Okay, question number 5 is minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Again, sum of the zeros is minus 1 by 4 and product of the zeros is 1 by 4. Now question is form a quadratic polynomial. Then formula is x square minus sum of the zeros is minus 1 by 4 into x, see, x plus product of the zeros is 1 by 4. Then x square minus plus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4. That means if sum and product of the zeros given, then directly plot in the given formula, you will get the answer. Okay, thank you.